In the sample Tableau dashboard, there's a chart that shows part sales by weekday, and I'm going to show you how to create that from scratch just so you can see all the steps and how easy it is to get started. I've created a new Tableau workbook, and the first step is to connect to the data. So we'll click this link, and my data is in Excel, and I'll click OK. Then I just have to find my workbook, and here it is. And now I can see all the tables in that workbook. This is the main table, so I could use just that, but I'd like to select multiple tables. So for the next one, I will select date, because we're going to be sorting by weekdays, and this will give us a day of the week field that we can use. And there's no join defined, so we'll have to create that. We're going to connect date of invoice to the date key in the other table. Click add, and the join is created. We'll also add a table for ship to, because that's going to let us find the sales rep name. And that already has a join. And we only want to see parts, so we need a table that has our subclass, which gives us the segments, and that's what tells us whether it's a part or equipment. We'll click OK. So we now have all the tables, and we can create a name for this, and we'll call it parts data. We could create an extract, but I'm going to pass. Remember this connection? Yes. We'll save that. So the data is set up, and we can see the tables here. Under each table name is a list of its fields. If I'd like to just see all the fields alphabetically, so they're a bit easier to find, I can go to sort by and uncheck group by table. So there are all the fields. We want to see things arranged by day of the week, so I'll look for that first. I'll drag it up to columns. So there are the headings. We're interested in the sales amounts, so I'll drag that up to columns as well. And instead of just a total amount, we'd like to see it broken down by salesperson. So I'll find new salesman name, and we'd like a row for each sales rep. So we'll put that there. And there's the chart. Now we could leave it just like that, but to fine tune it a bit, I'd like to take the house account out. So I'm going to put new salesman name in as a filter. And I'll uncheck house account and click OK. So it's disappeared from our list. Also, I only want to see the parts, so I'll put segment in as a filter and check parts. To see just a specific range of invoices, I can put that in as a filter as well. So I'll find the date of invoice, put that in. I could pick a specific date range, but I'd like to see the previous month every time I open this, so that would be relative to now. And I'll click Next. Relative to now, I'm interested in months and the previous month. So there's my chart.